Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're here at High Falls State Park in Middle Georgia. We're gonna do some bass fishing, maybe some catfishing.
Maybe some bluegill.
Yeah, maybe some bluegill, pretty much anything that bites. See how it goes. Hopefully we're lucky today.
First cast, Lonesome. First cast. First cast. That's crazy. It's a little bass, right? Yeah, that's a little bass.
Yeah, that was your first cast?
First cast.
Jeez.
I can probably get this one off.
Hey.
It's small enough because I feel like small ones be acting up. Lonesome. You don't think that will get stuck? You don't think that will get stuck? Yeah. Because it's shallower over here.
We got the whopper popper stuff right on the edge of those like little big leaves you see right on the corner.
Yeah, over there's a bad spot. We always get stuck over there.
Awesome.
I almost got a fish by third cast too. I saw it.
Really?
It bit at it, half of it, and then it swam away.
Oh, dang.
I'm like, bro, swallow it. What'd I tell you? I told you.
I was getting bites too.
I told you. Over here it's too shallow. You should have waited till they ran with it. Let's see plops. Oh, that was a big bite. Give me this. Oh, so come throw your worm over here. You're gonna get a fish. Yeah, over here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I told you. Got one?
Yeah.
Told you.
Yeah.
I told you. Hey, bluegill?
Yeah, the bluegill or
I think it's a bluegill.
I think it's a bluegill? Probably. It
I
looks
told
like
you. It was attacking mine every time.
Bye.
Not bad. You saw that?
I didn't, but I see the leftovers. Caught one right where you said.
I knew it because I was getting bites right there.
Ready to jump it?
Are you gonna help me?
I can't help you once I go. That'll be too far to help.
You're gonna fall. Holy crap.
I think you're gonna fall
I think I will. Should I go
though. You
through
want me
it?
to hold your pole?
Should I go through it though? Instead of jump it?
Oh, I guess you can.
Or I could just grab your hand. Ooh. Oh, never mind.
No.
Can I get from over here? Okay, come help me.
Oh my
Come help me. Come help me.
girl, you have to jump.
No, come help me right here. Oh my gosh.
Yo, your whole foot is mudded.
Let me just go through the water.
You should have just jumped, Cass. We don't know how deep the mud goes inside. Do you want me to jump on that side and we'll just fish on that side?
No. We better catch a fish.
You gotta jump right before here. Like, you gotta jump before those marks. And
I think I'm
like,
gonna slip either way because my shoes are muddy now.
I'll try to catch you.
No, I'm gonna bust my butt and then
You
we're
could
gonna have
just
to
go
leave because I'm gonna
jump.
break my nose.
It's not
Should I just
bad.
go through? I think I should just go through.
Alright, go try to go through. I'll hold you.
Wait, let me see. I told you! I told you! You don't have my back!
Yo, I thought
what's
you were
that?
good.
Got one? Hey.
Oh, it's a bigger size.
Ooh, that's nice. You think so?
Oh no, this is good.
Oh, we could probably wade that way, you see?
This is where it says.
Did I catch bass the first time with worms at South River? Oh. Okay, so I thought I was recording, but I guess not. He just caught a huge bluegill
Big bluegill.
on a
It's
worm.
going crazy. Oh my gosh.
I knew right by that waterfall.
Yeah, this one feels thick.
I need to start making sure I'm recording.
Yeah, you're.
That's a nice one. Hi, fishy.
Alright, you want food?
No, I want to catch a bass.
I felt like I got stuck on a rock.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You got one? Hey, that's a nice one too. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Maybe I should switch to worms. I want to catch a bass though. You did? Nice. You said you got stuck.
Yo, they're all good size over here.
They can try to swallow that worm. Look, it's almost all. Should we be feeding them before we throw them back? Oh, is it bleeding? Oh no, it's a worm.
I'll try to throw them all over there.
Ooh, I have one. I have one.
Feels good.
Oh, that's a bass. That's a bass, I think. I think it's a bass.
Oh, swimming. Oh no, it's a.
Oh no, it's a
Oh, it's a nice.
red breast.
Yeah.
I thought it was a bass. It looked like a bass underwater. Hey, they hunt. Hi, fishy.
Yeah, swim.
That one. Dang, there's a lot of them over here.
They're like decent size. Like, look at that.
That's a bluegill.
Yeah,
See, that one looks different. Oh, did it swallow it? I don't got time for
No, it didn't.
swallowing it. Oh, you saw the hook?
Yo, what?
That's a bass. Got it. That's 100% a bass. Oh, it came up, but you got it. We saw it. Oh, look at all those fish. You see all of them? No, with the worms. Look at them. You see all of them? I'm gonna go over there. Bones, I got one. Oh! Ah! I'm pretty sure. Got one. It's a baby bass. Oh. Oh. Okay, go, go, go. You saw how small it was?
Yeah, baby. At least you got up at.
I know. I feel like a worm would be good this way. There's a lot of creek chubs. There's a bass right there too. Oh, that was a bass. Yeah. No, but there's creek chubs. You should throw it.
I don't get creek chubs.
Oh, that was a big one. That was a big one. Look. Got it. Got it.
No, it's the bass?
Yeah. Then it went back in the water. I know.
That's
Another one. Little bass. There's a lot of them over here. You did? A good one? Ooh, that's a nice one. Let me try to come over there so they can see it. Look at that one. That's a nice one. Ooh, that looks like a good one. Good one? Yo, yours are good. Yours are good size. Yeah, they do. They all over there too. Trying to see if they have anything lurking in here. Thank you. Wait. I need a bluegill lure. Like one that looks like a bluegill so the bass goes short. Yo, where did the bass go? You got another one? Hey, another bluegill. You got a lot of them. Oh, you saw that throw though? Alright guys, we just made it back home. We had a great day, I would say. Kind of wanted to catch more bigger bass, but I'm glad Alonso caught a bunch of bluegill. That was really cool. And they were really good sized worms.
Yeah, the worms really went crazy today with all the bluegill. That was fun.
And I was sticking more to like trying to catch bass, so I'm glad I caught a few small ones. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.
See you, everyone.